Welcome to today's episode. I'm excited to dive into a groundbreaking development in the world of AI-powered learning and training. EON Reality, a global leader in AI-assisted virtual and augmented reality for industry and education, has just launched its revolutionary deep dive product demo package, marking a new chapter in immersive learning. This isn't just another product release. It's a comprehensive showcase of how EON Reality's technology is transforming traditional education and professional training methods through its unique learn, train, and perform framework. The demo package introduces users to the power of spatial AI, offering a hands-on experience with immersive 3D environments, adaptive AI avatars, and skill simulations designed to elevate learning and workforce development to new heights. So, what's in this package? EON Reality has meticulously designed a product that guides users step by step through its platform's capabilities. Imagine being able to convert a standard textbook into an interactive 3D world, or learning with AI avatars that adapt their teaching style to meet your unique needs. These are some of the core features that make the Learn component so revolutionary. It allows users to experience content in a spatial format that enhances understanding and retention significantly. Next up is the Train component. Here, users can immerse themselves in AI-driven role-playing scenarios that develop essential soft skills like communication and negotiation. Need to practice technical skills? The package includes detailed simulations with real-time feedback to help you master even the most complex procedures, all within a safe, virtual environment. Finally, the Perform module bridges the gap between training and real-world application. Utilizing EON's Spatial IQ technology, users can receive real-time guidance while applying their skills in real-world tasks, thanks to augmented reality cues and integrations with popular VR headsets like Quest 2 and Pico 4. It's a seamless transition from learning to performing, with the potential to significantly boost productivity and safety. EON Reality's deep dive product demo package offers more than just a glimpse into its tech capabilities. It provides a detailed roadmap for how AI and XR technologies can revolutionize education and industry training. The product demo covers interactive learning on desktop platforms, course creation on mobile, and full immersive experiences on VR platforms. Whether you're an educator, industry professional, or government leader, this package demonstrates the tangible benefits of integrating AI and XR into your training strategies. The numbers speak for themselves. EON Reality's approach results in 4 times faster learning, a 275% increase in learner confidence, and nearly quadruple the engagement levels compared to traditional methods. These metrics underscore the effectiveness of their platform in making education more accessible, engaging, and impactful. Dan Lajerskar, chairman of EON Reality, captures it best by stating that this product is a testament to their commitment to transforming education and workforce training. Through strategic partnerships with leading organizations like OpenAI, Unity 3D, and AWS, EON Reality is positioned to continue evolving its platform, pushing the boundaries of AI and XR technology. But it's not just about innovation. EON Reality's solutions have made a real difference in sectors like healthcare and higher education. For example, at the Children's Hospital of Orange County, immersive 3D heart modules are reducing patient anxiety and enhancing healthcare education. Similarly, at Los Angeles Community College, EON-XR has facilitated the creation of over 900 lessons, impacting more than 1,100 students and receiving overwhelming approval from faculty. As we look to the future, EON Reality's deep dive into AI and XR learning is setting the stage for new educational experiences, enabling learners worldwide to acquire knowledge and skills like never before. Whether you're listening as an educator, industry leader, or someone curious about the future of learning, EON Reality's latest product demonstrates that the future is not just digital, it's immersive, interactive, and powered by AI. Thanks for tuning in today. If you want to learn more about EON Reality and their cutting-edge technology, be sure to check out their website at eonreality.com. Until next time, keep exploring the frontiers of learning and technology.